Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find houses fast in 2026 using Zillow's most advanced technical tools so you can beat the competition, secure high-end studio properties, and navigate the market with professional-grade efficiency. Let's get into it. First, access the sidebar search tool. The first step is a mechanical necessity for navigating the updated 2026 Zillow interface. The left-hand sidebar is now the central studio hub for all your primary technical movements. Look at the left-hand sidebar on the home screen. Click the magnifying glass or search icon. Clicking this icon technically shifts your workspace from the general, candid home feed to the dedicated 2026 search map. It opens the professional interface you need to begin your technical market analysis. Next, enter your professional target location. Once the search sidebar expands, you need to technically define your 2026 territory. Type your zip code, neighborhood, or specific street address into the search bar that appears. Press Enter to populate the map with live 2026 listings. In 2026, narrowing your location early is a professional standard. It ensures the technical engine isn't wasting power on properties outside your studio radius, keeping your search fast and relevant. Next, utilize filters to find homes faster. To move with professional speed in the 2026 market, you must candidly eliminate noise. The filters are your mechanical necessity for finding a high-end property before the competition. Click the Filters or More button in the sidebar or at the top of the map. Set your price range to match your 2026 bookkeeping. Use the Home Type filter to select only studio-appropriate assets, like single-family homes. Check the Newest filter to see houses that hit the market within the last 24 hours. Filtering is the most technical way to find homes fast. By removing homes that are already under contract or over budget, you focus your candid energy only on properties where you can actually make a professional offer. And that's pretty much it. To find houses fast in 2026, click the magnifying glass icon in the left sidebar to open the map. Enter your target location and immediately use the technical filters to narrow the price and home type. Sort your results by newest to stay ahead of the candid market trends, and save your search to automate instant alerts. This professional workflow ensures you find a high-end studio home with maximum speed and technical precision. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.